Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to change text to sentence case in Adobe InDesign. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Adobe InDesign software. Then open your document or create your document. Now you can see here are my document. Now I change text to sentence case. You can see here are some text. Now I change this text to sentence case. Now I select this text, then go to type option, then click change case option. Now you can see here are many options. Now I choose this sentence case option. Now I click outside of this text box. Now you can see I change text to sentence case in Adobe InDesign very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.